Hello everybody, this is Chilmil. Welcome to my channel Beauty and Beyond. In today's video, I'm going to show you my nighttime skincare routine for summers. My nighttime skincare routine is again very simple, just like my daytime skincare routine. I use a very few products, actually 4 products. The first product that I use is a cleanser, of course, to cleanse my skin. And second, I use a toner. And third, I use a serum. And for the fourth product, that is my star product, that is a sleeping mask. Now what does a sleeping mask do? So our skin repairs during the night. It's better to use the best of your skincare treatment during the night, so that when you are sleeping it works the best. It does its work while you are sleeping. I apply the sleeping mask, keep that on for the whole night, and wash it off the next morning. If you want to see what are the products that I am using and how I am using the application, the methods, and about the ingredients of the products, specifically the sleeping mask, which is the star product as I said, please keep on watching the video. I start my nighttime skincare routine by cleansing my face with the Mamaearth Upton face wash. I apply a dime-sized amount of the product on my moist skin and massage gently for 1 minute. It forms into a foam while the walnut beads gently exfoliate the skin. I rinse it off. My skin feels softer and fresh. Then I apply a toner with a cotton pad. Then I warm a few drops of an anti-aging serum with my palm and pat it on my face. After that, as the last step, I use the Mamaearth Upton night face mask with turmeric and niacinamide. It is a pretty yellow jelly-like product, and I take adequate amount with the given spatula. I apply it all over my face. The Mamaearth Upton face wash with turmeric and saffron actively removes tan with the help of its key ingredients turmeric and saffron. While saffron helps in clearing spots and lightens the tan, the antioxidant properties of turmeric protect the skin cells from free radical damage. It is suitable for all skin types and is free of parabens, silicones, and sulfates. The Mamaearth Upton night face mask with turmeric and niacinamide has the antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric that also helps to balance the pH level of skin. It also helps to give an even skin tone by reducing blemishes and spots while repairing tissues and boosting the collagen production of the skin. Another powerful ingredient that this mask has is niacinamide, that lightens dark spots and helps to minimize fine lines and wrinkles. It restores the skin's elasticity and helps in the appearance of shrinking pores. The mask also has aloe vera juice. The Mamaearth Upton night face mask with turmeric and niacinamide improves the overall texture of the skin with daily use and is suitable for all skin types. Mamaearth products are available on Amazon, Nykaa, Purple, and their website mamaearth.in. You can also use my code JHILMIL2021 to avail a 20% flat discount on their website. This offer is available only on www.mamaearth.in. Mamaearth is a plastic positive brand and recycles more plastic than they use. Whenever you buy a Mamaearth product, they link every order on the website to a tree that they plant. Mamaearth has launched their official app, the iOS and Android links to which are given in the description. App users get early access to sales and hence get extra discounts. So yes, I'm done with my nighttime skincare routine and ready to go to sleep. Night night. So this was my nighttime skincare routine for summers, and yes, I have told you about all the products that I am using in details. So what are you waiting for? You can buy this mask. It's very good. It's suitable for all skin types, and it's amazing actually. So yes, that's all about my nighttime skincare routine for summers. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.